Happy Friday. Brian Manning here with your weekly update. Let's get right to it. So, Monday this week, markets were closed for President's Day. Hope everyone had a nice holiday weekend. Tuesday was a quiet news day. Wednesday, as with every Wednesday of every week, we get the NBA Mortgage Bankers Association, their feedback of what's going on in the marketplace. And what's interesting is that NBA says that average conventional interest rate right now is at 4.625 for a 30-year fixed. Also, purchase applications for new mortgages are up 3% on a year-over-year basis, and refinances were up 3%. Why are refinances up? Well, homes have appreciated, values have gone up, people have equity in their home, they're refinancing to remove private mortgage insurance or also take cash out. So even in the face of higher interest rates, we're still seeing refinance transactions. Also got data on the housing market and existing home sales. National housing supply is at a 3.4-month level right now. So that means in 3.4 months, everything would be absorbed into the marketplace. That's the lowest level since 1999. So really amazing to see. Yes, the housing numbers and existing sales were a little bit of a miss. It was semi-dismal, but volatility is going to be expected because we're facing higher interest rates and a lack of inventory. So anytime you have those two things coupled together, you're going to see a little bit of a move in the numbers there. Also got our Fed minutes. First Fed minutes with Jerome Powell in there. And the Fed definitely acknowledged a strong, robust economy. They acknowledged inflation, but what they failed to really acknowledge also was what's called wage pressure inflation. Wage pressure inflation is when you're hiring employees and the cost to have employees come into your company and the cost of wages increasing. And there was complete lack of acknowledgement there. Markets didn't believe it. Markets actually reacted based on the lack of this information. The markets think that wage pressure inflation is a real thing, and we saw some movement there. Today, no real news. We get Fed comments today, just Fed members speaking out publicly, which they always do after their initial meeting. So not really much to report there. Next week heats up. Next week we get the PCE, that's the personal consumption expenditure. This is the Federal Reserve's favorite gauge for looking at inflation. Always a market mover, especially right now when we're facing inflationary pressure. So we'll have to wait and see what happens. I'm around all weekend. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have any clients that need help, give me a call. I'd love to help you. Happy Friday. Have a great day.